Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel this morning. I want to show you how I do my tasks again this morning and my wealth management, how it increased. So this one now is a balance of yesterday 8,125. So let me do today's task. I'll go to start. You can see I have to do 10 tasks. So I'll now bring out today's task. Now do my task. So I will be installing them one by one. So next one is this knock 3D is my next one to pick. Yeah. Next one is Papa's Soshira. The next one is work day. I will install work day. Then the next one is FARM. Then the next one is Talker Life City. Then the next one is 8 ball. Then the next one is good morning, welcome. The next one is 8 ball. The next one is a crayon. Then the next one is King's Choice. Then the next one, let me show you wealth management. You can see wealth management is have increased to 56,984,000. So that's how I do my task. Let me show you the increase on my hand balance. Let's see when increase. It's still installing. Let's see, it's still installing. Let's see how my today's thing will drop. Let's see how it's going to drop. See when it drops. Waiting for this, it's still installing. My balance still remains, so the app is still installing. So once it finish installing, that is my task for today. The balance will increase. So it's still on progress. Here balance still remain 8,125. So once it finish installing the task, my balance will increase. That means my balance will be 9,375. That's what it's supposed to be, because it's supposed to be 1,250. My earning for today. That means once you add it here, it's going to be 9,375. So let's wait for it to come. This is Correct Bets. In case you never subscribe to Correct Bets, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click the notification bell so that I don't miss our new videos anytime I post them. Remember, this is FCB business. So I want to show you my today task, my earning for today, and then account management I told you guys yesterday. So you see I've increased 56,984. So I'm still waiting for my disk to increase, still installing. You can see it's 5 of 10 now. So every day I do my task, 10 tasks every day, due to I'm on level 2, which is a F2. And I register with it with 32,500. 32,500. That is the registration for level 2. Then level 1 is 13,000. So that one, the task you'll be doing on level 1 is only 5 tasks, which is 500 naira every day. But this one is level 2. But if you're on level 3, see the earning every day. On level 3, the earning is 3,750. Then on level 4, every day earning is 12,000. Level 5 earning every day is 24,000. Level 6 earning every day is 60,000. Level 7 earning every day is 175,000. Then level 8 earning every day is 375,000. Then level 9 earning every day is 1.2 million. So you earn according to the level you are. And this side, remember, this side is different from wealth management. Wealth management is when you choose how many of days that you want to invest before you cash out. So that is how it works. This is FCB. Let me go to my balance to see. Okay, it has increased. They have already done storing it. You can see 10 of them already installed. So now my balance has become 9,375. All right, thank you guys for watching. This is Correct Bet.